everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here today because I have an announcement. Yes, today's video I am going to announce the winner of the Bolzano Handbag Deluxe Edition subscription, free for 1 month to one lucky viewer. And I'm so glad that you showed up to hear the announcement, to see who the winner is. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. Hello, welcome. I sure hope that you will stick around, watch another video. That would be awesome. I make videos all about women's clothing. I love women's fashion and shoes and handbags, and Bolzano Handbags fits so nicely into my life. It's a monthly subscription, and you do fill out a style profile, and every month you can get a handbag that is suited to your personal preference. The price is unbelievable. Unbelievable for a high quality handcrafted bag sent to you. And then the Luxe Edition, well, you get beauty products and luxe accessories sent to you. It is so much fun. And I think in every single video, I recommend this Bolzano handbag subscription as a gift. If you have a hard to buy for woman in your life, she's gonna love this. Truthfully, it is one of my favorite packages to see on my doorstep. So Leilani is the owner of Bolzano Handbags, and she reached out to me and asked if she could sponsor a giveaway on my channel. And I did make a video and start this giveaway in March, and there was a lot of very touching stories and entries to this giveaway. And Leilani and I together were going to choose a recipient, a winner, and I couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't pick a winner because the stories all touched my heart. Every single story touched my heart. So I did use a random comment picker to decide upon the winner, because in my mind, everyone is deserving of this super gift that Leilani is providing for one of my lucky viewers. So I did use the random comment picker, and the winner of the Bolzano Handbag Luxe Edition is Allison W. Allison W. And I won't use your whole name, Allison, but you are the only Allison that entered this giveaway. So if your name is Allison, please contact me. My email is in the description box below. You can contact me through that. I have handed off your information to Bolzano Handbags, so Leilani does have your information, but she will want to be in touch with you and have you fill out a style profile so that she can send a bag that is suited to your style preference. That's one of the things I really like about Bolzano Handbags. They don't send all the subscribers the same handbag every month. No, we all get bags that are suited to our needs and our style preferences and even colors. You know what? If you don't like the bag, they do also have an exchange policy. So you just can't beat the Bolzano Handbag subscription. It has been such a pleasure to work with Leilani on this, and such a pleasure to read the entries. Thank you to everyone that participated in this giveaway, and thank you to Leilani and Bolzano Handbags for letting me be a part of this. And guys, I do have an announcement, but first off, let me share these earrings with you. Check out these really cool earrings. These are from my Fair Trade Friday. These are the latest earrings. And I'm going to leave all the information about Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month Club in the description box below. If you are interested in getting some really cool, trendy, handmade, handcrafted earrings that support a phenomenal cause, please take a look at Fair Trade Friday. That is not sponsored. I don't have an affiliate or anything like that. These are actually a gift from my friend Barbie. Some of you have met Barbie. She's been in a video or two. I think, has it been two or just, yeah, I think she's been in a couple of my videos. So Barbie gifts me with these, and I sure like to share them with you because this is another subscription that I really enjoy, and it goes to support a phenomenal cause. So please take a look at that if you're not familiar already. And one more announcement, and this is a big one. I will be sponsoring my very own giveaway. Yeah, this is going to be a Kelly Shaffner giveaway. And this is just in celebration of my channel reaching the 5,000 subscriber mark. Wow, I am blown away. And I know that behind every single subscriber, there is a name, and with that name, you have a choice. You have a choice in who you watch and how you spend your time on YouTube. And I want to thank each and every one of you for choosing to spend a little time with me. And now I passed that 5,000 mark a little while ago, and trust me, we were happy dancing in the Shaffner household. We were so excited about this, but because of where our world was at that time, I did decide to hold off before celebrating with a giveaway, but it's going to be a big giveaway. And if you enjoy clothing, if you enjoy shoes and handbags and accessories and jewelry, please make sure that you are subscribed right now. Tap that bell so you can get the details when that video comes out. It will be coming out very soon. And I have another announcement for you. I have a video coming out for you tomorrow, so make sure you're subscribed, guys. I have some clothes to share with you. I went thrifting, and I'm so excited to share with you what I found. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I would like to again thank Bolzano Handbags for letting me be a part of this really special giveaway. Congratulations to Allison for winning, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Blessings.